Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed some important chapter of your some discuss and revise some important chapter of your NCERT exercise. Now today's class, dear student, we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is algebraic identities. Okay, and we already discussed all the algebraic identities which are involved in your syllabus. Now today's also we revise all the important algebraic identities. Let's see, we discuss about some important algebraic identities. Okay, listen, we discuss some important algebraic identities. And okay, now let's see some important algebraic identities are, first of all we discuss the identity a plus b whole square. Dear student, this is very common algebraic identities, you know that very well. What is a square plus b square plus 2ab? Okay, and second one is what? A minus b whole square is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, third one is what? A square minus b square. This is also very important algebraic identities, which is equal to what? A plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. Okay, next one is what? A plus b whole cube. Okay, the expansion of a plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket में a plus b. Same as next one is what? A minus b whole cube is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Okay, similarly next is what? A cube plus b cube. This is also a very important and conceptual algebraic identities of your syllabus, which is equal to what? A plus b in one bracket and in another bracket we have a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now next one is what? A cube minus b cube. Dear friends, the value of a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b in one bracket and in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. This is also a very important algebraic identities of your chapter. Okay, now next one is what? Next one is what? A plus b plus c whole square. This is also very important algebraic identities. The expansion of a plus b plus c whole square is what? A square plus b square plus c square. Okay, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, this is also a very important algebraic identities. And next one is what? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, what is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? Which is, dear friends, a plus b plus c in one bracket and in another bracket we write as a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, dear friends, these are these dear. So in this way, dear student, these are 9 very important algebraic identities of your syllabus. Okay, so dear student, please you learn each and every algebraic identities, and this in your chapter are the question based on these algebraic identities. Without learn that algebraic identity, you can't solve any question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, these are very important algebraic identities. Now we take some special case related to that algebraic identities. Let's see. Okay, first of all you learn all the identities. Now we discuss about special case. Now we discuss about special case related to identity that. Okay, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Suppose that, dear students, if we have a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is the value of the algebraic identities a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? 0 na, because if we put here a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then right side becomes what? 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? 0 na. Okay, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? 0. So in this way we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? Minus 3abc transfer that side. So we get 3abc na. We get what? 3abc. Thus, this is a very important result based on very important result of related to that algebraic identities. Okay, if always if we have a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then we write as a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, this is the very important concept related to that algebraic identities. Okay, now dear student, we take a question based on that concept. Okay, let's see. Now evaluate dear students, a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. Let's see its solution. Dear students, evaluate this. Dear students, if we expand each and every terms based on the identity a minus b whole cubes, then that question is very lengthy and broad. Okay, now dear student, first of all, in that type of question, first of all you check it if a plus b plus c is equal to 0 or not. First of all, we take let a is equal to a minus b, b is equal to b minus c, and c is equal to c minus a. Okay, this one we first of all we consider capital A is equal to a minus b, capital B is equal to what? B minus c, and we take capital C is equal to c minus a. Now first of all we find the value of a plus b plus c. If it's 0, then that question is very easy. Okay, now if we find a plus b plus c, the value of a is what? A minus b, b is what? Plus b minus c, this is what? C minus a. Now look, a here, a cancel to each other, b cancel to each other, c cancel to each other. So we get as what? A plus b plus c is equal to 0. In this way, dear student, we get a value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Thus we have if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3abc na. Just I discussed about that. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3abc. Okay, now dear student, now we put the value of a, b and c in this identity. Okay, let's see. Now we put the values of a, b and c. We get as what? The value of a is what? A minus b. So a minus b whole cube plus the value of b as what? B minus c plus the value of c is what? C minus a. Okay, c minus a whole cube is equal to 3abc. 3 into a means a minus b into b means b minus c, c means c minus a. So we have the value of 3 into a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. This is our required answer. So thus dear students, in this way, in that type of question, first of all you find the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0. If if a plus b plus c, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then you apply the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, and hence we put all the values of a, b, and c, and we get our result. In this way, this is one of the most important question and identity of your NCERT exercise. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions and identities a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, now dear student, we take and solve some other questions based on algebraic identities. Let's see. We take a very important question. Let's see. If the question is, if x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 27, find the values of value of x plus 1 upon x. Okay, let's see its solution, dear students. First of all, we write, we have x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to what? 27. Okay, and dear students, and we find the value of x plus 1 upon x now, and we find x plus 1 upon x is equal to question mark. Now, dear student, in that type of question, just look. First of all, you observe the questions. Dear student, in that question, we have the value x square plus 1 upon x square, and we find the value of x plus 1 upon x. So we apply the identity a plus b whole square, because of these terms comes in which identities? A plus b whole square, na? Yes. So since we know that we write x plus 1 upon x whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2 into ab. A means x, b means what? 1 upon x. So x cancel to each other. So we have x square plus 1 upon x square. Sorry, x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Now what I do? Now we put the value of x square plus 1 upon x square as 27. Okay, now look, we write as x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to, the value of this is what? 27. So we write 27 plus 2, that is what? 29. Thus the value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to what? Plus minus square root 29. This is our required answer. Thus, so dear student, in this way you can solve that type of question in that way. Okay, this is one of the most important topic of your NCERT exercise. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other type of question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Now, we take a question which is very important. Let's see. If 4x square plus y square is equal to 40, okay, and xy is equal to 6, okay, find the value of find the value of 2x plus y. Let's see its solution. Dear friends, in this question we have what? We have 4x square plus y square is equal to 40 and xy is equal to 6. We find the value of 2x plus y. Dear friends, first of all you observe very carefully in that type of question. Dear friends, first of all you take as, first of all you observe, first of all you write which is given. We have, first of all write given. We have what we have? We have 4x, the value of 4x square plus y square as 40, and the value of xy is equal to what? 6. We have these two values, okay dear students. Now look, first of all you observe that terms 4x square and plus y square comes in which type of identities? The identity we find the value of 2x plus y now, so that terms comes the value of this plus the whole square. Means suppose that if we take a as 2x and b as y, so that terms comes in the algebraic identity is 2x plus y whole square. So we apply that identity. Look, since 2x plus, we apply the formula 2x plus y whole square, and we write a square means 2x square plus b square means y square plus 2ab. 2 into a means what? 2x, and b means what? Y. So here write in this way. Okay, now we simplify them. We get what? Let's see. We get 2x plus y whole square is equal to 2 to the 4x square plus this is y square plus this is 2 to the 4xy. Now we take equation number 1. Now using equation 1, we get this one. We using equation 1, we get what I get? Let's see, 2x plus y whole square is equal to the value of 4x square plus y square as what? 40 plus 4 write as it is, and the value of xy, there is student, the value of xy is what? 6. The value of xy is what? 6. So here we write as 6. Okay, then what I get? Let's see, we get as 40 plus 6 for the 24. This is equal to what? 64. So we have as what? 2x plus y is equal to plus minus under root 64, and you know that, dear student, the square root of 64 is what? Dear student, the square root of 64 is what? 8. So dear student, the value of 2x plus y is equal to what? Plus minus 8. This is our required answer. Thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these identities. Okay, now we take and solve some other type of question based on algebraic identities. Let's see. Now we take some NCERT question of your NCERT exercise. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. And your question is what? Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z square. Dear students, in that type of question, what is the question? Here we write in expanded form. Dear student, this question based on the identity a plus b plus c whole square, and just I discussed about that ki the algebraic and the value of a plus b plus c whole square is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca na. So with the help of that algebraic identity we simplify them. First of all, dear student, we write the algebraic identities as, since look in this way. First of all, since we know that what? A plus b plus c whole square means what? Yes, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is your question, na? Dear student, first of all, we convert that value in the form of this. Look, in this way. First of all, we write minus 2x as 2x, okay, plus this is already 5y, and we write plus minus 3z whole square. Look, if we break the brackets, then we get already minus 3xz, na? Now listen here, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, and this is the value of c. Okay, now, and we know that the algebraic expression as a plus b plus c whole square is what? a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Okay, now look, here a is minus 2a, b is 5y, and c is minus 3z. So here first of all we write a square. A means what here? Minus 2x, so we write minus 2x square in this way. Okay, plus look, second term is what? B square. So here b is what? 5y, so we write as 5y b square. Okay, plus c. C is what? Here C is your minus 3z. Minus 3z na? C square. So we write what? Minus 3z square. C square. Now plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2 into ab. A means what? Minus 2x. 2a into b means what? 5y. 2ab. Okay. Now plus 2bc. Look. Plus 2 into. The value of b is what? 5y. So here we write 5y into c. What is the value of c? C means what? Minus 3z. First of all, we convert in this way now. So here the value of c is what? Minus 3z. Okay. 2bc. So here we write minus 3z plus 2ca. 2 write as it is. Now c means what? Minus 3z. So here we write minus 3z. C into a means what? A is what? Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Okay. Minus 2x. Now, dear student, first of all, we put all the values based on the identities. All the values on this identities. Okay. Now what I do, dear students? Now we write as a. We expand them. We get what? 2 to the 4 and minus converted into the plus. This is what? 4x square plus 5 5 the 25y square here plus minus 3 square already plus, so 3 3 is a 9 z square. Okay, now look here, plus minus 2 2 is a 4 4 5 is a 20 xy 20 xy. Okay, now look here, plus minus kya? Minus, so here we write minus, and this is 2 5 is a 10 and 10 3 is a what? 30. Okay, so here we write 30 yz. Now here look, this is plus, right, as is, and minus, you know that different minus multiply minus, so we get what? Plus. So we have what? We write plus plus plus, and 2 3 are 6 6 2 are 12 zx 12 zx. So now thus dear student, now we simplify them or not? No, not, because of these terms never be add and subtract, because of all are unlike terms. Dear student, if we add and subtract only the like terms, na, like terms means what? Which have the same algebraic factors. Dear student, those terms which have the same algebraic factors known as the like terms, but in that algebraic expressions no any like term. Like let's see, this is x square y square z square, this is xy, this is yz, this is zx. So these terms do not have any same algebraic factor, so the all are unlike terms, so they never be add and subtract. So our required answer is what? 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20 xy minus 30yz plus 12zx. This is our required answer. So the expanded form of this is what? This. Thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other questions based on the identities. Let's see. Now, we take some other question of your NCERT exercise based on some algebraic identities. Look, we take a question. If a plus b is equal to 10, a plus b is equal to 10 and a square plus b square is equal to 58. Okay, a plus b is equal to 10 and the value of a square plus b square is 58. Find the value of a cube plus b cube. Let's see its solution. Dear students, we know that the value of a cube plus b cube is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab na? A plus b whole cube. First of all, dear students, look here, the value of a square plus b square is given that 58. First of all, we apply the concept, since we know that a plus b whole square is what? The value of a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now look, the value of a plus b is 10, so we put here 10 square is equal to the value of a square plus b square is 58, so we write as 58 and plus 2ab write as it is. Okay, so we have what? 10 tens are 100 is equal to 58 is plus 2ab. Thus the value of 2ab is equal to what? 100 minus 58. The value of 100 minus 58 is what? 42. So we have what? 2ab is equal to 42. That is the value of ab is equal to what? 42 upon 2. 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. So thus the value of ab is what? 21. Take equation number 1. Dear friends, first of all, using the given value a square a plus b square, first of all we find the value, we apply the formula a plus b whole square. We already have the value of a plus b whole square or a plus b. Now first of all we apply the formula a plus b whole square, and from there we find the value of ab, which is 21. Take equation number 1. Now dear friends, in this question what I do, we find the value of a cube plus b cube now. So here we apply the form identity a plus b whole cube. Let's see, since we know that, we write as, we know that what? No, a plus b whole cube. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube, dear students? Look, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, now dear students, in that algebraic identities we put the value of a plus b and ab and simplify them. In this way we get our result. Let's see. First of all we put the value of a plus b. The value of a plus b is what? 10. So this is 10 cube is equal to, we find the value of a cube plus b cube, right as it is, a cube plus b cube plus 3 into the value of ab is what? 21, right as it is, and into the value of a plus b is what? 10. So here we write 10. Now look, we have what? 10 tens are 100 tens are 1000 is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into 21 into 10 is what? 210. Okay, now we have 1000 is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 300, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now the value of, dear students, the value of a cube plus b cube is equal to what? 1000 minus 630. 1000 minus 630, because of plus 630 transfer that side, we get 630. Thus the value of a cube plus b cube is what? Now we subtract 1000 and 630 common, subtract them, so 0. This is 10, 10 minus 3 is what? 7. This is 9, 9 minus 6, that is 3. Okay, so the value of a cube plus b cube is what? 370. 370. Thus in this way the value of a cube plus b cube is what? 370. This is our required answer. Thus, dear student, today we discuss all the important algebraic identities of your syllabus, and we take and solve some important question based on some important algebraic identities and like that. Okay, now first of all, dear student, you revise all the questions which we discuss in that class. Okay, and after that you can solve. First you learn all the algebraic identities. After that you revise all the chapter which we all the questions which we discuss in that class. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on algebraic identities. Now, dear student, in next class we take and solve some other important question based on algebraic identities. Thank you.